Hello guys, MinerJP here, and today we're back for another video. And this time, as you guys can see, we're solving a gear ball. No, not a gear cube, a gear ball. So yeah, let's get straight onto it. Let's scramble this cube. Alright, and we have our scrambled cube here, so let's get straight onto it. Alright, ready. Oh, let's see. Where should I start? Okay. Go. Okay, so all solid. And let's see, 1 minute and 31 seconds. So pretty good time. But yeah, so this is pretty much it, guys. This is solving a gear ball. So I hope you guys like it. If you like the videos that I produce, please leave a like. If you like the videos that I produce, please share and subscribe. So yeah, this is MinerJP. Peace out.